is around 5:20. My flight is at 7:50 pa, pero napaaga ako ng konti kasi para dito na ako mag-dinner. I want to eat dinner here para sana pagdating ko ng Manila, diretso na ako ng Airbnb and then wash up and then tulog. Okay, I got bacon pesto and then cinnamon oat honey latte. Actually, hindi ko sure. Tapos medyo pinagsisisihan ko siya kasi parang gusto ko ng iced Americano. But, okay, this is my dinner and this is my meal. Yummers! Okay, update. We're boarding now. Pero hindi pa ako tumatayo kasi haba pa pila. Seat number 5 lang naman ako. Tapos wala akong ilalagay sa overhead. These are my things na ilalagay ko lang under the seat in front of me. Touchdown Manila. I'm just walking along runway Manila. I feel like if I book a Grab dun sa my arrivals, parang matatagalan ako kasi sobrang daming pa. And then, iikot pa yung car. So, I think it's better if I just book sa my Belmont. Diba? Easier and I can go to the Airbnb and wash up. Yun lang. Ang bilis ng flight. We took off mga past 8 na. Actually, hindi pala siya mabilis. I was just busy taking down notes of like things I need to do for work pagbalik ko ng Manila. So, ayun, I was preoccupied kaya siguro mabilis. Already here. No, wala pa. Wala nang natira sa kuko ko. Look at my other hand. Kasi mag-copy ng lyrics from Gmail. On caption sa IG story. Hi. Hi. Tayo. We're done with brunch. We're at IKEA right now kasi bili kami ng pillowcase. Kasi nga, yung Airbnb, it doesn't feel clean. So I have to buy my own pillowcase. That's right. Siyempre magsasalamin siya agad. My hair is so big. Standing. I cannot talagang standing.
Okay lang sa mag-standing kung nasa pinakalikod ako.
Oo. Kung may kasama ko, okay lang ako mag-standing. If mag-isa ako, wag na mag-standing. Pagdating, I'll do my makeup. And then, my nails. Pero feel ko, last ko na yung nails. Magawin ko siya mga 5. Kasi yung nails, wala nga. Sobra na lang sa 4 na lang ang natira.
Laser pointers or pens, laptops, tablets, iPads, or and it's only my will that keeps me alive.
siguro hindi nag-plan siya kasi magpapabili ng t-shirt. I feel like it's too short. Kakatayin mo. I don't know what I feel about it.
I don't know if you can hear me. We're at Kiwami for lunch. Kasi si Sean, ang gusto ayabo. And then I suggested we go here. And then we're going to get coffee after. Maybe sa Com Cafe. And then, 4 pieces. Goma sabor. Goma sabor, 4 pieces. 4 pieces. White rice. Chicken katsu. 80 grams. 80 grams. White rice. Also 80 grams. 1 time. Okay, I ordered chicken katsu. And then Ate ordered pork katsu. Sean got
Katsu curry.
katsu curry. And then no, that's not me. I think you got the wrong person. Are you Lady Maldita? Yung Supladita.